Welcome to ITECX College, a place where innovation and education come together to create a brighter future.
At ITECX, we believe that every student has the power to shape the world. That's why we provide an inspiring environment, modern facilities, and a team of dedicated educators who are passionate about nurturing your potential.
Our dynamic campus is a center for creativity and collaboration. Here, students are encouraged to explore new ideas, share their projects, and learn from each other. Whether you're working on cutting-edge technology or the next big idea, you'll find the support and resources you need to succeed.
From exciting competitions and workshops to real-world industry connections, ITECX College offers endless opportunities to grow and thrive.
Join us on this journey of discovery and innovation. At ITECX College, we don't just dream about the future, we create it.
Be part of a community that values your ideas, celebrates your achievements, and helps you become the leader you're meant to be.